in the long run, we're going to need either a vaccine that is safe and effective to prevent people from getting infected with Zika virus if it were to spread further, or really trying to contain the infection. Then when we see areas of ongoing Zika transmission, do what the CDC has done and really aggressively try to contain it. Or if we aren't successful in these, then we may see progression geographically of this over the coming seasons to years. And we may end up with a population, a segment of the population where we have an increased number of people with birth defects related to Zika virus.
Nationally, there are 2 vaccines that just started very early human trials. Here at the Mayo Clinic, my laboratory and research group is also developing a vaccine against Zika virus. We're taking a different approach than any other group has taken. We are getting pieces of the virus and packaging those with a biodegradable nanoparticle and then using that as a vaccine. So at the current time, we're growing the virus, we're learning how it changes and affects cells, learning what the immune response is, and we'll take that information and develop a vaccine. We will not have a vaccine next year. It will take years for vaccines to go through these clinical trials and to finally be approved. The biggest health concern is in women and families that are wanting to have children. A woman who's pregnant and gets exposed to this virus, there is a quantifiable risk. We can't say precisely what the risk is, but a quantifiable risk of severe congenital malformations in that baby. Right now, the only thing we can do is control the standing water and get people to take mosquito precautions, getting the standing water out of your yard, using mosquito repellent. The mosquito that causes this is only the female mosquito, and she is mostly a daytime biter. They can bite into the nighttime too, but it's not like the mosquitoes we're used to that are nighttime biters. These bite during the day and transmit the virus.